Chapter 2, Unit Exam Review, Problem Number 1. Write the equation of the line passing through the point negative 6, 2 and negative 2, 12, and express your answer in slope-intercept form. So first we have the slope, which is the change in y in the numerator over the change in x in the denominator. So I'm going to start with the top point, 2 minus 12 in the numerator over negative 6 minus a negative 2 in the denominator. 2 minus 12 is negative 10. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4, which reduces to a slope of 5 halves. Using the slope and one of the 2 points, I'm going to choose the top point. I have y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. So I have y minus 2 equals 5 halves times x plus 6. Y minus 2 is equal to 5 halves x. 5 halves times 6 is 15. Adding 2 to each side, I get y equals 5 halves x plus 17, the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Problem number 2 give the slope and y-intercept of the given line with the equation 6x plus 3y minus 5 equals 0. So first I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 6x and add 5 to each side of the equation. Then dividing by 3, I'm getting y is equal to negative 2x plus 5/3. The coefficient of x is the slope, so the slope is equal to a negative 2, and the y-intercept is equal to 5/3. This is in the form y equals mx plus b, m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. 3a is to graph g of x is equal to the f function, f of x minus 2 plus 1. So it's saying to take and shift this graph 2 units to the right and shift it up 1 unit. So we're going to take this graph and we're going to move it over 2 units to the right. So that would be at the point 2, negative 3, but we're going to shift it up 1. So we're going to go to the point 2, negative 2. And then from there we have a point of 4, 1. And we have a point of 0, 1. So we've taken the graph and we've shifted it 2 units to the right and 1 unit up. Now we're going to take the same graph from the beginning of number 3 and graph y equals negative f of 1/2 x. So what this does is stretches the graph out. So instead of the graph going from negative 3 and over to 2, it's going to go over to 4. So it would come over this way. But the negative in front means that what we're going to do is reflect it over the x-axis. So the graph is going to come this way.